Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an easy, dramatic makeup look using the ColourPop Wild Nothing eyeshadow palette. First, I'm applying the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream in the shade Tan 425 Neutral and blending it out with a beauty blender. Next, I'm applying the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 22 Wheat. Then I'm setting my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. And next for blush, I'm using the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick in the shade Glimmering Guava and blending it out with my beauty blender. Then I'm contouring my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade 375 Java. And next I'm applying the e.l.f. Powder Highlighter in the shade Apricot Glow. Then using the ColourPop Wild Nothing eyeshadow palette, I'm starting with the light pink shade Top Down all over my lid. Then I'm applying the shade Morningside and slightly winging it out as I blend it in. Then I'm applying the shimmery pink shade Alcove all over the Morningside color. And finally, I'm creating a wing using the dark brown shade No Bounds. Then I'm cleaning up around my eyeshadow with my concealer. And brushing up my eyebrows and filling them out with the LA Colors brow pencil in the shade Medium. Then I'm applying a little bit of mascara to my top and bottom lashes before I apply my false eyelashes. And for my lips, I'm applying the e.l.f. Seriously Satin Lipstick in the shade Sugar Plum. And after applying the glue to my lashes, letting them dry, and applying them, this is the final makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like this video, comment below if you've ever tried any of these products, and subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!